Hi guys, how are you? This is Avi from Start UX, and I just wanted to quickly catch up on the new Samsung AR emoji, which is, as you can see, similar to Apple's AR Memoji, but Samsung is kind of making it very clunky, and it's not fun or responsive compared to Apple's AR Memoji. As you can see, there are many glitches, and it's not perfect. Okay, it's cute. It's less creepier than before, and you can actually use your emoji as AR, as you can see. So it's not limited to sort of virtual environments and virtual body. You can use your own body and your body expressions and body language and stuff like this. But the facial features, I guess that it's kind of captured my facial features pretty good. I'd say that even the skin tone is even better than before, but it's not perfect. It's not Apple, okay? Let's just say it. So if you remember, I've just wrote a little article back in August about UX principles for AR design. And I've included few case studies, and then I've included few of my favorite prototype applications back then. And one of them is Torch AR, which in my opinion these guys are doing an amazing job. Unfortunately, there is no Android application, but as you can see, if you go to their website and then click learn more, you will find out that there is WebAR feature that I've just introduced. And if you go ahead and click on it or open your camera, which I'll demonstrate right now, you can see that it works in your Chrome browser on your mobile device without any companion app. So let's just take a look. Okay, so this is a little example of WebAR running through my smartphone on top of my Chrome browser without any AR application on my end, which means that right now you are getting this AR experience. Let's just spin it. As you can see, it's fully immersive, and even if I go ahead and scroll up on my browser, on my computer's browser, you will see that it's sort of floating on top of my screen, my actual screen. So other than this low quality 3D model, actually it's not that low quality. If I zoom in, as you can see, it's pretty decent. Anyways, if you want to do how to make this kind of 3D models for AR, then you should definitely check out my article on Medium called AR Design Tools and Few UX Principles. So basically, I'm just explaining a little bit about the principles of UX design for AR, and then I'm obviously providing few AR prototyping applications. One of them is Torch AR, which is what you are seeing right now. So basically, they've got this application for iOS. Currently, they don't have an application for Android devices, but as you can see, WebAR works just fine. So basically, it's not perfect. I guess that their version of the app for iOS is even better, but in terms of proof of concept, as you can see, WebAR is real. WebAR is pretty powerful, and WebAR is here to stay. So you guys can go ahead and check out Torch app for iOS if you've got iPhone. And if you don't have an iPhone, I suggest, let me just try to close this prototype. It actually does not respond to my taps on the screen other than spinning the model, but I'm trying to close it right now and no luck. Anyways, let me just switch back to my camera, and as I've said before, you can go ahead and try Torch AR if you've got an iPhone, and if you don't have an iPhone, you can go ahead and try wireframe, which is a little play on words. As you can see, it's pronounced wireframe, but there is an AR element within it. You can find the URL to the official website right here, and they've got this Android and iOS application which actually allows you to use the web tool. They've got sort of web UI to create your prototypes, and then you can go ahead and download the Android or iOS application and try it on your device, which is pretty fine. It's not perfect, as it's not I don't want to say perfect, because none of these are perfect right now, but in my opinion, Torch AR are doing better work, because they've got some pretty cool, they've got some interesting scenarios, and they've got a better app in my opinion and better prototyping experience, but I don't have an iPhone, so I couldn't test it. Anyways, go ahead, play with it, and don't forget to come back and comment and let me know what you think about this kind of prototyping tools of the future. Okay guys, that's the end of the video, and just before I go, please comment below and let me know if you want a video tutorial or maybe a written article about how to use these tools, and and if you've got any suggestions for new prototyping tools or maybe different kind of tools that you've heard about, let me know about it in the comments below. So bye.